It is snowing at 2 inches per hour. This is Lancaster, Pennsylvania, 26th of January, 2011, and it is just coming down with bucket loads. And it is just thumping our region, as the meteorological term is. Thumping our area. You can see in the street lights, you can see the heavy snow just thumping my camera lens, really coming down. We already have 2 inches, 3 inches from the earlier batch, so we're looking at another 6 inches even after this 2 inches that already exists here on my driveway, as you can see. But if you see that the visibility is less than a quarter mile, that's my neighbor's house, front of our house over there, and I can barely see the her Jeep in the driveway. So it is just really coming down very hard right now. And again, it would not be out of the question some areas get a foot by morning. January 26, 2011. Everybody enjoy this hard pounding snow. Just everybody have a good time and be safe out there. Love it. I'm looking forward to more this winter. Last winter sure did set records, but I'll tell you what, this winter right now, this snow that's coming through here right now is just unbelievable. Have a good one.